Hello, hello, hello. Guess what day it is? It's Wednesday's word at the Pinkhouse. Yes, we're in the Pinkhouse. So, we're going to look and see what today's word is. And I will be announcing the winner on my live. And so, this week's word is termagant. It's Termagant, and it's an adjective. And it means eminently powerful, tumultuous, turbulent, termagant. And let's look at what the bard said, how they used it. 'Twas time to counterfeit, or that hot termagant Scott had paid me Scott and lot too. Yeah, Shakespeare could be a little confusing, but what is the word? Termagant. And it means tumultuous, turbulent, eminently powerful. All right, that's this week's Wednesday's word. See you next week.